What is conscious consumerism? With the increase in pollution, with the increase with health problems, people are becoming conscious of the products that they use. How we are using storytelling to tell what we do when it comes to becoming a sustainable brand. As a founder, you have the greatest responsibility to see to this that you are making sustainable businesses. Anyone who ignores this will repent this later. So don't be that anyone. Conscious consumerism is on a rise in India, and sustainability is one of the factors behind it. Well, let me make it very clear to you. What is conscious consumerism? Conscious consumerism means the consumer consciously chooses the products of the brands that they have to use. Jaise, for example, would you love to eat anything that is made up of palm oil today? Or would you like to give it to your kids, for example? Well, being a mother, I can say I would definitely not. After reading and after being conscious enough to be ready to what I eat, what I consume as a human, I know what I must give to my kid. Many parents are becoming conscious consumers of the snacks or of the eatables that they offer to their kids. And this is the shift that Indian markets are seeing today. Hi, I am Coach Sakshi, and my job is to build premium service business model with the help of integrating all the different functions of your business and establishing a premium class service in your business. Well, this can be easy, but with this comes in a responsibility to make that shift from the old traditional ways of running a business. अगर आप पुराने किसी भी बिजनेस को देखो तो पहले फोकस इस चीज पे होता था कि हम प्रोडक्शन कैसे कर रहे हैं और सेल कैसे कर रहे हैं. एनवायरनमेंट के बारे में तो कोई बात ही नहीं करता था. बट आज विद द इंक्रीज इन पोल्यूशन, विद द इंक्रीज विद हेल्थ प्रॉब्लम्स, people are becoming conscious of the products that they use. And this conscious consumerism is the best pillar or is the foundational pillar for you to build a premium class business model. Well, एक premium class business model में आप किन लोगों को सर्व करना पसंद करोगे? ऐसे लोग जो लोग प्रीमियम हैं, जो सोचते हैं, जो एक्सपीरियंसेस के बारे में सोचते हैं, और ये लोग सिर्फ एक्सपीरियंसेस और रॉयल्टी या सिर्फ एक लाइफस्टाइल के बारे में नहीं सोचते, बट ये लोग पीछे कॉजेस के बारे में भी सोचते हैं. ये लोग वो लोग हैं जो कुछ सोच के डिसीजंस लेते हैं, एंड इनके डिसीजंस नॉर्मली या तो इमोशंस या वैल्यूज से जुड़े हुए होते हैं या लाइफस्टाइल से जुड़े हुए होते हैं. जितने भी लाइफस्टाइल बिजनेसेस हैं या फॉर एग्जांपल फैशन ब्रांड्स हैं, आजकल सस्टेनेबिलिटी के रास्ते पे चल रहे हैं. एंड देयर इज नथिंग रॉन्ग अबाउट इट, बिकॉज लेट मी टेल यू, consumerism in India is on a rise where people want to take decisions based on the values that they want to stick to. Any of the brands that have a similar kind of value attracts them more. There are influencers today, just like Food Farmer, FitTuber, who help us realize what is good to eat. Whether are we eating chunks of palm oil or junk in our food, or are we really eating the things that we are supposed to eat and make ourselves a healthy human being. Well, if you really study the stats and the data of the last 5 years of Indian government, you will come to know that many brands are shifting towards sustainability. अब ये sustainability सिर्फ फूड ब्रांड्स में या फैशन ब्रांड्स में नहीं है, बल्कि सर्विस इंडस्ट्रीज में भी आ चुकी है. अगर आप एक ऐसे बिजनेस में हैं जहां पे आप सर्विस दे रहे हैं, चाहे वो छोटे से छोटी सर्विस हो या बड़े से बड़ी सर्विस हो, बट अगर आप सर्विस देते टाइम ये ध्यान रखते हैं कि आप किस तरीके से एनवायरमेंटली सिक्योर रखते हैं अपने आप को, अपने बिजनेस को, अपने कंज्यूमर्स को, अपने टीम्स को, तो आप एक अलग लेवल पे जा सकते हैं. देन यू कैन स्पीक अबाउट द एक्सक्लूसिविटी दैट यू ऑफर. अब ये एक्सक्लूसिविटी कैसे ऑफर हो सकती है? वेल, प्रोडक्ट बिजनेसेस में ये सब चीजें बहुत आसान है. कैसे? आप अपनी पैकेजिंग चेंज कर दीजिए, आप अपने इंग्रेडिएंट्स चेंज कर दीजिए, द वे यू मेक योर प्रोडक्ट यू कैन चेंज दैट, एंड उस तरीके से आपका सस्टेनेबिलिटी का चेक बॉक्स टिक हो सकता है. बट व्हेन इट कम्स टू सर्विस बिजनेसेस, जहां मोस्ट ऑफ द काम डिजिटली हो रहा है, in that case it becomes difficult as to how to become a sustainable brand. Then in that case, there are three things that you need to take care of, and I am going to share with you those three things today. The first thing is to ensure that you are having eco-friendly operations and sourcing. What do we mean by that? Well, this isn't just for the product industries. When it comes to being eco-friendly, means you can be eco-friendly within your office as well. आप किन आइटम्स को रिसाइकिल कर सकते हैं, आप कहाँ पे रिफर्बिश्ड डिवाइसेस को यूज कर सकते हैं, आपके बिजनेसेस किस तरीके से एक कार्बन फुटप्रिंट को रिड्यूस कर सकते हैं ऑन दिस प्लैनेट अर्थ, ये आज आपको सोचने की जरूरत है एज एन एंटरप्रेन्योर. एज अ फाउंडर यू हैव the greatest responsibility to see to this that you are making sustainable businesses and following sustainable practices which are environmentally friendly and friendly to the humankind as well as to other living organisms. So why not start it by using operational devices that can be refurbished or that can be given to someone for use. So even if you are changing, for example, you're shifting to a new office, give your old devices to someone who can use it, or give it to a company that can refurbish it to be used by someone else rather than giving it as a junk in the e-waste department. Always ensure that your company is reducing the waste or recycling the waste to have this as a practice within your organization. The next thing that you need to do to ensure that you are standing among these brands is to story tell what you do. Yes, storytelling is an art. I have talked n number of times about how storytelling impacts any businesses. Some of my old videos have already talked about storytelling. Now the only thing that you need to do is to see to it how we are using storytelling to tell what we do when it comes to becoming a sustainable brand. How do we procure the products? How do we do service? How are we trying to recycle things? How are we trying to use refurbished devices? All of this can be put up as stories not only on your social media handles but also on your website or other important documents where you feel people must watch about what's going good in your business. So if you want to take this ahead and become the next level brand where sustainability comes first, then these things need to be story told to your audience, and these things need to be brought into picture in your everyday collaterals so that people are reminded of taking the actions constantly and you build a positive brand altogether. The next thing is to be innovative in service delivery. Well, earlier, it used to happen that most of the client calls used to happen via one-on-one meetings. People used to fly from one city to another or move from one office to another, travel down from one office to another just to take a 1-hour meeting. Not only do we lose time, energy, productivity of that particular employee for that particular day, but also we spend a lot of money in travel, and travel increases carbon footprints on our environment. So why not shift to virtual calls wherever we can? Anyone who ignores this will repent this later. So don't be that anyone. It's better to initiate these things right from the start, to see to it as to how you can deliver your service in an innovative manner rather than following the same old practices that were being used earlier. Using paper bags in office, asking your employees to bring jute bags every single day for work to handle their food or eatables. These are small practices that can overall change the way your organization is working. So today, what we need is not only just a brand, a business, or a company for that matter. Whatever are you building, whether you are a home-based business, a SME, a startup, a unicorn, whatever you call yourself, but sustainability has a different impact altogether. So let's build a sustainable brand and let's tick the check boxes wherever we can. If you promise this, then hit a like to this video. I would like to see in comments what are the practices that you are doing in your business to ensure that you are also a name on the list of sustainable brands. That's for now. I'll see you in another video. Signing off, Coach Sakshi.